A very good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I am here to teach you the subject English, and for that you have to take out your English textbook. So all of you are ready? Okay, let's start. Take out your English book and page number 18. In our last English class, what we have learned? We have learned about the letter E. Okay, so what comes after E? F. So today we are going to learn the letter F. Capital F, small f. Here you can see what is the letter F. Capital F and small f. So here you can see some objects are given. These are the objects. They start with the letter F. Okay. So first picture you can see this is the picture of a fish. F says F as in fish, means F for fish. F says F, small f as in fish. Fish spelling F-I-S-H, fish. Do you like to eat fish? Yes, I know. F for fish. Fish lives in water. Fish lives in water. F for fish. F-I-S-H, fish. Next object you can see here. This is a picture of 5. What is the number? 5. F-I-V-E, 5. 5 spelling F-I-V-E, 5. Next picture as you can see here. This is the picture of a fan. F-A-N, fan. This is the picture of a fan. Say with me. This is the picture of a fan. F-A-N, fan. F-A-N, fan. Okay. Next picture. What is the name of this picture? This is an animal. What is the name of this picture? Fox. F-O-X, fox. Fox is an animal. F-O-X, fox. Next picture is, as you can see here, fig. This is the picture of a fig. F-I-G, fig. It is a soft, sweet fruit full of small seeds. Here you can see it is a soft, sweet fruit full of small seeds that grows in warm countries. Okay. ये जो पिक्चर दिया गया है ना, ये गर्मी देशों में पाया जाता है. गर्म देशों में पाया जाता है. इस फल का नाम है फिग. ये फल मोटा तथा बीजों वाले होता है. यह फल बहुत मीठा है. इसे सुखाकर खाया जाता है. The name of the picture is fig. It is a sweet fruit and full of small seeds. Okay, F-I-G, fig. Next picture you can see here. This is the picture of a frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. This is the picture of a frog. What is the name of this picture? F-R-O-C-K, frog. Again say with me. F-R-O-C-K, frog. This is the name of a cloth. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Next picture as you can see here. This is the picture of a frog. F-R-O-G, frog. What is the name of this picture? The name of this picture is frog. F-R-O-G, frog. Next picture as you can see here. The picture of a foot. F-O-O-T, foot. This is the name of a body part. F-O-O-T, foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Okay. And last objective is fountain. F-O-U-N, F-O-U-N-T-A, I-N. Fountain. Fountain means a spray of water created by a machine. What is this? This is a fountain. Here you can see it's a spray of water created by a machine. Fountain को हम यहाँ देख सकते हैं, ये एक मशीन है जो जल स्प्रे की तरह उड़ रहा है ना. Okay, this is the name of the picture is fountain. Here you can see capital F and small f is there. F for 5, F for fox. Here is your question is trace and write. Now your question is trace and write. So children, how to write capital F and small f? First we have to draw one standing line, then a slipping line, then another slipping line makes the letter capital F. Again one standing line, first slipping line, then another slipping line makes the capital letter F. Now you have to write in your own. First one standing line, then the slipping line, another slipping line makes the capital letter F. You have to write in your book. Now how to write small letter? A small curve with a standing line and a small slipping line makes the small letter F. Starting with a curve and a small and a standing line and a small slipping line makes the small letter F. You have to write in your book. First you have to trace, then you have to write your own. Next question, as you can see here, circle the picture that begin with F. Here some pictures are given. Now what we have to do? First we have to identify the name of these pictures. Okay. First one is the picture of a frog. First one is the picture of a frog. Next, what is the name of the picture? That is a van. Okay. Here you can see this is the picture of a van. What is the name of this cloth? Frock. This is the picture of a nail cutter. This is the picture of a fountain. This is the picture of a cake. This is the picture of our body parts name foot. Okay. So what we have to do? We have to circle those pictures that begin with the letter F. So what is the letter? What is the name of the picture? Frog. Frog is start with the letter F. Here you can see F-R-O-G, frog. Means frog is starting with the letter F. So what we have to do? We have to circle the picture of a frog. Here you can see the next picture is van. Yes, V-A-N, van. So van is not starting with the letter F. That's why we don't circle the picture of a van. Here you can see the picture of a frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Yes, frog is starting with the letter F. So circle the picture of a frog. This is the picture of a nail cutter. Nail cutter is not starting with the letter F. That's why we don't circle the picture of nail cutter. Here you can see the picture of a cake. Cake is also not starting with the letter F. Next picture, as you can see here, the picture of a fountain. Look, F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, fountain. F-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, fountain. So fountain is starting with the letter F. So circle the picture of fountain. Next picture we can see our body parts. The name of the body parts is foot. F-O-O-T, foot. Yes, foot is starting with the letter F. So circle the picture foot. So these are the objects that begin with the letter F. Frog, frog, fountain and food. So move to the next page, page number 20. Color the boxes with capital F or small f. In this box you can see capital letters are given. Now you have to color the boxes with capital F. Okay, I have already done. You have to do in your book. Okay, next box, here you can see small f are given. You have to color the boxes with small f. Okay, in this box again you can see small f are there. You have to color those boxes. Again here you can see capital F is there. So you have to color the boxes with capital F. Here you can see small letters are there. Now you have to color the boxes with small f. Okay. After this one, next question, say the names of the picture and write capital F and small f below them. Now we have to say the names of the picture. So first picture is the picture of a fish. First picture, as you can see here, the picture of a fish. So first you have to write here a capital F, then a small f. Say the names of the picture. This is a fish. Okay. Move to the next picture. What is the name of this picture? This is the picture of a frog. So first write capital F, then a small f. Okay. Next picture. What is the number? This is the number. And number 5. First you have to write capital F, then small f. Then this is the picture of a fruit. The name of this fruit is fig. So first write capital F, then write small f. Next picture, this is the picture of an animal. What is the name of this animal? Fox. First you have to write capital F, then a small f. F-O-X, fox. Then next picture is the picture of a fan. First write capital F, then a small f. So say the names of the pictures, children. Say with me. F for fish, F for frog, F for 5, F for fig, F for fox, F for fan. Okay. Now look at my copy. Here is your question is, write name of the pictures that begin with the letter F. Okay. Write name of the pictures that begin with F. So what is the name of this picture, children? Can you identify the picture? Yes. This is the picture of a fox. So what we have to write here? F-O-X. Fox. Again write here. F-O-X. Fox. This is the picture of a fox. F-O-X. Fox. So again write here F-O-X. Fox. Next picture. This is the picture of a number. So children, can you say which number is this? A number of 5. So F-I-V-E, 5. What is the number? Number 5. F-I-V-E, 5. Again you have to write F-I-V-E, 5. These two objects you have to write in your copy. First one is fox and second one is 5. So your question is, write name of the pictures that begin with F. First one is fox, F-O-X, fox, and second one is 5, F-I-B-E, 5. Okay, these two objects that begin with F you have to learn. Okay, first you have to complete in your book this question answer. First you have to complete in your book, then this question and these two pictures and name of these pictures you have to write in your copy. That's all for today. Take care and bye bye.